Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some great car tools and covering what they do. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. Make sure to comment about any of your experiences with these tools. First up, we have the CARCAPSULE, a portable inflatable capsule made for covering your expensive cars in no time. It protects against dust, grime, mildew, musty odors, and pests. The CARCAPSULE can be inflated in 4 minutes using its electric-powered pump. When the desired air pressure is reached, the pump automatically shuts off. Filters are included with the package to eliminate internal dust. LED lights have been added to the latest version of the CARCAPSULE, which gives it a spectacular look when you park your car. Next, we have the AZARIS, an advanced off-road vehicle from FEROX. In addition to its slick and striking design, it has a unique propulsion system. The in-wheel motors of the AZARIS are driven by an electric motor coupled to a fluid pump. The pump interface in the AZARIS converts mechanical force into fluid power to drive the in-wheel motors, providing smooth and continuous power at a volumetric efficiency of up to 98%. In contrast to the numerous types of conventional hydraulic motors, they are also efficient throughout a broad speed range. The in-wheel engine liberates the wheels and gives the AZARIS a set of unique qualities that go beyond those of conventional vehicles. This vehicle employs a coaxial system in which high-pressure pipes are surrounded by low-pressure tubes to improve safety, cooling, and fluid control efficiency. The rear wheels feature revolutionary rocker suspension, allowing the vehicle to traverse harsh terrain with more agility. The Ventus INS is up next. These are new generation tires developed by the premium tire manufacturer HANKOOK. The company introduced them in May of 2022, specifically made for electric vehicles. The design of these tires improves the response to instant high torque produced by powerful electric vehicles. Reduction in rolling resistance, ultra-low noise, and great load-bearing capacity are just a few of the advantages that these new tires offer. Compared to standard tires, the Ventus Ions provide more range per battery charge and an improved driving experience for electric vehicles. Next, we have the X-MATIK. It is the first autonomous driving add-on technology in the world. This means that regardless of your vehicle's generation, this technology can make it self-driving. The X-MATIK is composed of a brain box, a front-facing camera, a touchscreen interface, and actuators for the pedals and steering wheel. It utilizes a twin camera system to identify objects around the vehicle and transmits that data to the brain box, determining the safest path. This technology has been proven to be quite effective on unmarked roads and in high traffic, and may soon be permitted for individual use. Next, we have the Q18. It is a clean and comfortable motorhome that has slide-out extensions on both sides. The living area can be expanded by 55% with just a push of a button, providing a comfortable 18 square meters of living space. When fully extended, the vehicle's width is 3.5 meters, while it is just 2.3 meters wide when it is in transport mode. Even while you are driving, the Q18 gives you access to the sleeping spaces, the kitchen, the shower, the toilet, and the refrigerator, so that you can make the most out of your amenities even during brief stops along the way. The PLOCK 2 is up next. This device functions as a lock to prevent unwanted access to your parking space. It is fixed on the concrete surface of the parking area. When an unauthorized vehicle attempts to enter, the PLOCK 2 prevents it without damaging it and rings a loud warning siren. The PLOCK 2 interacts with the owner's car sensors, making it simple to use without leaving the vehicle. The remote can be used to lock or gain access. However, PLOCK 2 also has an auto-sensing mechanism that automatically recognizes when the owner's vehicle approaches. It is waterproof, heat and dust resistant, and very robust, so that it can withstand a trample, impact, or collision with a car without being broken or damaged. Next, we have the load handler. It's a smart solution for people who use their trucks to haul things. Load handlers have belts that go around the tops of tailgates and are held in place by adjustable brackets. It works like a one-way conveyor belt that attaches to the back of a truck and moves everything in the truck bed to the back of the truck by hand. You put things on top of the drag sheet that covers the truck bed. When it is time to unload, the tailgate is lowered and a handle is turned to release the load. The load handler, in engineering terms, combines a strong mechanical advantage with minimal friction. With it, anyone can unload quickly and easily in as little as 39 seconds. Last but not least, we have the MICROLINO, a small car that offers space for 2 people. It runs on battery power and can be fully charged in 4 hours at a standard household outlet. It only takes up 1/3 of a parking space. The MICROLINO can cover 230 kilometers on a single charge and reach a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. It weighs only 513 kilograms due to its lightweight aluminum skin with a reinforced steel door. The self-supporting body improves its safety and handling compared to the tubular frame of other vehicles in its class. The MICROLINO can be bought for 14,990 Swiss francs. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.